Hello students, good day everyone. Welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School. Today we are going to see subject EVS chapter number 17 directions, page number 72. So children, today we will see and we will take reading part of the same lesson. Okay, unit number 7 directions and time. Chapter number 17 directions. In the morning, the sun rises in the east. In the evening, the sun sets in the west. If we face the sun at sunrise, we are facing the east direction. Behind us is the west. To our left is the north and to our right is the south. North, south, east and west are the four main directions. We follow directions in order to go to a place. Front, behind, left, right are the common words we use to locate something or some place. Sitting inside the classroom, we can say that the teacher is in front of us. The cupboard is to our left and the window is to our right. The blackboard is behind the teacher. Hence, we must learn to use the right words to give or follow directions. We follow direction in order to go to a place. Usually, we use directions like left, right and straight. So now we will see some questions answer about this lesson. So first is fill in the blanks. The first question is directions show us the way. Second, there are four main directions. So here we have underline for the direction and here we have underline for the four. So we have four main directions. Third, we follow direction in order to go to a place. So we have underline here place. Now answer the following questions. First, which is the direction opposite to the north? So answer is the direction opposite to the north is south. So here you can see the north here and the opposite side is south. So your answer will be south. Second, which is the direction opposite to the west? So see here children, here you will understand. It will help you to find out which is the direction opposite to the west. So this is a W means this is a west. So opposite to west there is a east. So answer is the direction opposite to the west is east. What are the common words used as direction? So what are the common words? The common words used as directions are front, behind, left and right. Yes. Now the fourth question, in which direction does the sun rises? So everybody know the answer. The sun rises in the east direction. Fifth one, in which direction does the sun sets? Yes, answer is the sun sets in the west direction. Now we'll see what do we follow direction, why do we follow direction? So answer is we follow direction in order to go to a place. Okay. So thank you children. I hope you understood this question's answer and do practice at home of these exercises what we have solved. So please subscribe our channel, like and share and hit the bell icon. Thank you.